osteoarthritis, a common disease of the elder person. This is a type of arthritis that occurs when flexible tissues at the ends of the bones of the joints wears down, ক্ষতিগ্রস্ত হয়ে যায়. The cartilage becomes destructive. So this is known as osteoarthritis. See the cartilages here. I am showing the pictures from the Google. This articular cartilage, in between the two joints, there are articular cartilage lies. In between the two joints, articular cartilage থাকে. এর ভিতরে যে আর্টিকুলার কার্টিলেজ থাকে এর ভিতরে এটা ক্ষয়ে যায়. ক্ষয়ে গেলে একটা বোন আর একটা বোনের সাথে ডাইরেক্ট টাচ হয়ে যায়, ইন কন্ট্যাক্ট হয়ে যায়. দিস ইজ এ পিকচার. সি দিস ইজ দ্য জয়নিং অফ দ্য বোনস. আর্টিকুলার কার্টিলেজ ক্ষয়ে যাওয়ার ফলে বোনস কুইক জুড়ে যায়. আর্টিকুলার কার্টিলেজ ক্ষয়ে যায়, ফ্রিকশন হয়ে যায়. এই ফ্রিকশন হতে গেলেই ব্যথা আরম্ভ হয়. This is known as osteoarthritis. So the main cause of the osteoarthritis is injury or overuse of bones and joints. Severe injury to a joint, such as the knee injury, can lead to osteoarthritis. So it is common in knee joints. Injury may also result from overuse or misuse over time. Now, there are rheumatoid arthritis. The difference between the osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis is very prominent feature. Osteoarthritis, the most common form of arthritis, involves the wearing away of the cartilage that caps the bones in your every joint. Rheumatoid arthritis is a disease where the immune system attacks the joints not due to erosion of the cartilages. Now in homeopathy, this is a elder disease, a common disease, a progressive disease of the geriatric persons, but can be controlled by homeopathic medicines. But the medicine should be given judiciously and rationally by constitutional way. This is a gentle lady suffering from osteoarthritis. The patient is chilly, so anxious, sympathetic, and the disease is osteoarthritis. It's very difficult to move. হাঁটার চেষ্টা করুন দেখি. The osteoarthritis is developed in such a way of the gentle lady. She cannot walk properly. There is fearfulness, anxiety, etc. Sit down. She was treated previously by various allopathic and homeopathic physicians. We have seen this is the homeopathic physicians who had treated the medicines we have seen given Drosera 200, Hura Brasiliensis, a rare medicine. Hura Brasiliensis are not constitutional well-proved drug. However, he prescribed according to his own merit and knowledge. And he has also prescribed osteoarthritic nodotes. There are some medicines nowadays found here and there, no proving, no constitutional, no authenticity. That is only empirical way, osteoarthritic nodule. However, osteoarthritic nodule 30-200 given, and the potentized medicines Hura Brasiliensis given, Drosera given, but without any effect, without any result. The patient didn't get any good results, and the patient has come to me, and I prescribe only simple medicines, Hahnemann tincture Sina Acris Cali, I mean the causticum in 50 millisieverts scale of potency, and I do believe the patient will improve a lot. Let's see the result. I shall share you the result, my friends.